Hi, I'm Chip. Welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about the RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless Smart Trek Crosscut Mower. This 21-inch machine is incredibly powerful and feature-rich. Not only is it made in the United States, RYOBI thought of a lot of different things to make the usability really simple. Starting with the self-propelled. We have the max speed selector slide switch here. This just keeps the mower from going faster than you want to walk behind it. Simply depress the thumb switch and you're off and at it. Now the thumb switch is also variable speed, so it allows you to ramp up slowly up to your max speed, which is really convenient. Down here we also have one-hand operation for the bag removal. So simple. And the folding and storing is another single motion, down and up. Look at just how small the platform this takes up. This is perfect for a home workshop, for your garage, which is where we all store our mowers. Now check out the Crosscut Technology underneath this machine. You see two blades here. This effectively mulches and refines all of that heavy turf, even the thickest St. Augustine. This is what allows this mower to outperform comparable gas-powered mowers. That's really something special. Now, as we come back up, let's talk about the power plant inside this machine. It comes with two 6 amp hour 40-volt batteries. They fit conveniently inside the housing, snap right in, and there's even a power switch that allows you to transfer from one battery to the next. The combined power of these two 6 amp hour batteries provides up to 70 minutes of runtime. That's the equivalent of about 3/4 of an acre. This machine is no doubt gonna get the job done.